Anthem, weak ass Aguilar rig. In my fresh ass room. What up, Mr. Weege?
What up, though?
What's happening? D.Sorrell TV in the building. I'm hating on your Aguilar.
Can't hate on the Christina. Aguilar's over there smacking. The Aguilar, the Moog, the MS, and the Sadowski. Lights out. That's for you, Lo. It's for you, nigga.
Yeah. We're gonna go talk to all the band members. This is Mr. Daniel Moore.
Yo, what up?
Famous one himself. We're gonna go to the other keyboardist.
Hey!
The ugliest nigga in charge. Mr. BD Bam Davis himself.
What's going on?
Yeah. Let's get some footage for D.Sorrell viewers. Good morning, America.
Hey, good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Man, you and Ouija D'd out, man. Y'all should have told me, dog.
Yeah, brother.
At least I got my hat. The young guitars over here, young Stroll. How you doing, Reverend?
iPhone now. You dog shit now. You think you the shit.
Yeah, dog. Hey, man. I'm back on wax, dog.
Home with that, dog.
Yeah.
D.Sorrell, son.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
This is young Weege rig. And this is how we do. Good morning, America. What's up? You are beautiful, no matter what they say. This clown. So I'm gonna show y'all my rig for the day. Yeah. D.Sorrell TV, you know how we do.